Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about s equals to 5 secant of t, because if I put this one go in here, we have 25 secant of t square. Number 25, we can do about factorization. Secant of t square minus 1, we have tan t square, and later that we simplify the square root and ds. Now we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have the s equal to 5 secant of t tan t dt. So this one I will put in here and here. The s we change by this one. This one we have 25 secant of t square. Number 25, we can do about factorization. This one we have tan t square. The square root of number 25 tan t square, we have 5 tan t. Now we need to simplify 5 secant of t tan t on numerator and denominator. We have 1 over 5. The integration of 1 over 5 dt, we have t over 5, and we put about c. About t, that is about this one. So we need to divide both sides by number 5. And we have t equal to arcsecant of s over 5. So I will put this one to change for t. And this is the final answer. That is the end. Thank you for watching.